Well,
You
alright.
think
You
I'm
know
just
what?
lying? Okay, okay,
Not a
bet.
liar.
No, no, that's alright, buddy.
Not a liar.
No, no, that's alright, that's alright.
Like he
This kid
knows I'm
playing
here.
Fortnite.
Yeah, she's,
She grinding on it. Oh.
she is.
I low key hate Swift play, so
Caleb put her leader.
time to go through hell.
Gosh, you bring me hell with you.
Yes, I am.
I didn't
It's
mean to
crazy.
swipe. No, if I pull up
Dragon
my
dancing. What I do that?
Potato.
I get comboed by them. Are you joking me? I can't do no builds. I can't. I'm so like I'm just oh my gosh. No. How fat is she? I hit her 100 and then 100
Wait, do I
something with
really
the
want to do that?
rocket.
No.
Okay,
Sorry. I got one more Swift play and then I'm laying down on the bed.
okay.
This is
That's why I
dumb.
was like, wait.
Wait, this ranked? Wait.
Okay.
No. This is stupid. No. Techie, I'm gonna cry. I had that too. I had that kill. But no builds, you get that stupid extra shield. I'm not actually gonna cry. Oh my gosh. No.
They took your jet.
I'm chilling. Oh, my face. I'm gonna keep putting diamonds on this
It's
fucking
okay.
thing.
Y'all are gonna watch me and build,
Shit.
Oh, you little
and I'm gonna get
backpack.
absolutely
Mm.
mollywalked by kids that can build.
There's like wood blocks, but like I don't know. Put some of those on this side.
Also, do y'all care if they're
Do
in the
some
background
dark
talking, or should I leave the call and it just be
light.
me and the
Oh my god,
music?
wait.
Because I'm just sitting muted in call, but I just wanted background noise. Here? What do you mean? Like leave the call? Auto mod? Wait, what did it say? Wait, what? Did it?
What is this supposed to be?
Let me see. I don't see any auto mod thing. Oh, I see. Oh, where'd it go? It's gone. It disappeared.
Okay, I got lazy. What the heck?
Why'd you wait for 3 hours
Crazy
after you just been
stickers.
sitting here? Oh, okay. Be nice. I'm gonna cry.
Okay.
I
Where's Spike?
don't know why it's doing that.
Kill.
Nom
Spike.
nom
Kill.
nom.
Mm-hmm.
Give me Spike.
I
Yeah.
have it. I want to plant it.
But like, is it
Thank you.
overstimulating listening to them?
What the fuck?
Well, I was thinking about it for future reference, so I know for future streams. Because
Yummy.
sometimes late at night,
Cheater
there's a
13.
few
How the fuck
friends
do
that
I
are
hit it on
awake.
her toes? Like that doesn't make
I
any.
don't know.
Okay.
Oh no.
You
Nom,
got
nom, nom,
that?
nom.
Oh, that's I ran out of bullet.
Bitches.
Wait, this stuff's all due at
What is this
12.
weird ass crosser?
I we don't really care.
Oh.
Okay, okay.